Chinese search giant Baidu introduces Ernie Bot. Ernie Bot? That's pretty good. Ernie Bot.
It's friendly, right?
When I think of Ernie, I think of Sesame Street.
Yeah.
And I think of Bert and Ernie.
Mm-hmm.
That's I don't know of another Ernie that comes to mind for me. How about you?
There's only one Ernie, and I agree. I think it's the Sesame Street one. There's no popular Ernie more
Ernie. We must be missing. We need to ask the audience on this. There must be another famous Ernie out there. Ernie. I'm just not thinking about it.
Ernie Hudson?
Okay. I don't know. And what about an athlete? Someone says Ernie Sanders. I think they're thinking of Bernie Sanders. Wait, is Ernie short for Bernie? And it's not that much shorter. Well, there is somebody by the name of Ernie Sanders. Anyway. I'm glad that we got to the bottom of that. Anyway, okay, so they've got their own, what is it? It's a ChatGPT, but they put a friendly name on it type of deal?
But it's not doing too well.
Oh, shares tumbled 10%. The bot was not perfect, but they were releasing it now because of market demand. Robin Lee said at a media conference in Beijing, well, we talked about how hard this is going to be.
Also rushing. The rushing part is, it's not, I guess, responsible in this sense.
Wow.
When you're creating a chatbot, you kind of want to do it right.
Well, in business,
you can.
In business, that happens, Will, where sometimes time is not on your side, and particularly in China, where they're not having access to any of this other stuff. You're not having ChatGPT, or you're not. I don't know if you're having Midjourney and these other ones either. I think those might be blocked, and so there's this massive opportunity. And who knows? Maybe the government's over there, like, hey, what's going on?
Yeah, so I guess the data is as limited, so
totally different setup.
Can't really pull that data.
Baidu on Thursday unveiled its much-anticipated artificial intelligence-powered chatbot known as Ernie Bot, with CEO saying that it was the culmination of the firm's years of hard work in artificial intelligence. The bot was not perfect, but they were releasing it now because of market demand. The company's Hong Kong-listed shares tumbled 10% as he demonstrated the bot answering questions, writing a poem, as well as producing video and images with prompts. To date, 650 companies have said they'll join the Ernie ecosystem, he added.
You like that name, don't you?
Chinese state media outlets and a Shaolin Temple were among the first signups. Shaolin, Wu-Tang.
Shaolin style.
Yeah, the popularity of ChatGPT backed by Microsoft has triggered a frenzied rush among Chinese tech giants and startups alike to develop a rival. Baidu jumped to the forefront of the race after saying early last month it was close to completing a chatbot using its AI-driven deep learning model. Ernie is short for Enhanced Representation Through Knowledge Integration. That's how you get to Ernie, Will. Of course.
But there's a E at the end.
Well.
Huh?
Hey, stop being so... Stop...
it's a K for knowledge. There's no N.
Stop being so picky, Will.
Okay, fine.
It's Ernie. All right, so I don't know. I guess they want to integrate to their search engine, similar to what Microsoft is doing. They are the dominant search engine over there. They got a couple billions. They'll figure something out, and it doesn't matter because ChatGPT is not coming, so deal with it.